Welcome to the Category Management Roles and Responsibilities briefing. So, what is category management? Category management is a business approach where an organization uses data to strategically manage spending on its common goods and services to achieve more mission for their dollar. This may be a bit different than approaches in commercial industry and even elsewhere in the federal government. Category management can also help organizations reduce their total cost of ownership or TCO by understanding the actual total cost of a product over its entire life cycle and identifying those hidden costs. All of these costs impact ownership and reflect the true cost of ownership. Installation costs, test and balance, warranty cost, and cost of field failure are just a few of those potential hidden costs. Additionally, category management strengthens supplier relationships by providing a clear understanding of its requirements and spending patterns across all categories of products and services. The government's application, on the other hand, has been at the level of pre-exchange as no money is directed by a government-wide vehicle. The Department of the Air Force analyzes and evaluates based on policy, best practices, demand management, and strategic acquisition to simplify the way in which agencies buy commercial products and services. Category management is a continuous process that includes demand management, strategic sourcing, life cycle management, and transactional efficiency. The Air Force Installation Contracting Center adopted category management in 2017, and it has helped the Department of the Air Force save and avoid over $3 billion in costs since then. Let's learn about the various roles and responsibilities of the Department of the Air Force Category Management Organization. The Category Management Accountable Official, CMAO, develops and maintains the Category Management Program and appoints agency-level category managers. Because category management touches many other aspects of the Department of the Air Force business, we have organizations referred to as Category Management Council advisors that act in an advisory capacity to the CMAO. The advisors are senior functional and technical leaders that offer guidance, support, and recommendations. The advisory organizations include finance, small business, contracting, and others, plus have a formal seat at the table in terms of participating in our recurring meetings. The day-to-day programmatic execution of the CM program is led by the CM Program Support Office. The Category Management Program Support Office is organizationally part of the Air Force Installation Contracting Center, AFICC, headquartered at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Dayton, Ohio. Because the CM program reports to SAF-AM, we show it here as a dotted line report. Here, the Program Support Office is responsible for developing, maintaining, and providing CM tools, templates, and training, and leading the CM projects such as category intelligence reports, and working with the business intelligence branch in gathering data analyses and benchmarking and research with the functional owners. CMPSO also facilitates CM workshops and CM trainings. The Program Deputy function for the Department of the Air Force CM is managed out of SAF-AME at the Pentagon. They administer CM program activities, oversee the CM governance, reporting, and facilitate cross-category information sharing. The Program Deputy also enforces category timeline adherence for the CMAO. Each category is led by a category manager. Category managers are responsible for strategic cost ownership and executing category management improvement strategies. Category managers are formally appointed by the CMAO and tend to be within organizations that already have functional ownership of that category of products and services. For example, the Department of the Air Force DAF-CIO is the CM for IT, and the Commander of the Air Force Civil Engineer Center is the CM for Facilities and Construction. Category manager is the functional owner of the portfolio, usually an SES or general officer. They drive CM strategy targets, approve recommendations, and are held responsible by the CMAO. They author the category charter and the category strategic plan. Category managers also appoint the category council directors and category leads or enterprise managers. The category managers select a category council director (CCD) to oversee their category, and the CCD leads category activities on a daily basis. A CCD is typically a GS-15 or 06 level individual. They provide support to the category managers and category leads or enterprise managers. The category council directors keep in tune with CM project status, major challenges, and provide regular reporting to the CM program deputy. The individuals that have the subject matter expertise within certain subcategories are assigned to be category leads or enterprise managers. Category leads or enterprise managers report category status to the category manager, category council director, and the CM program deputy. The category leads or enterprise managers participate in the CM projects, monitor and direct their execution, and ensure that those projects are appropriately resourced. Category leads or enterprise managers are typically GS14s, 15s, 05, or 06. Finally, Enterprise Sourcing Squadrons ESS and AFSC-PZI provide operational and acquisition support to categories. This helps to build rapport with those functional owners and enables them to lead strategic sourcing and opportunity assessments on products and services in those categories. For example, the AFICC 772nd Enterprise Sourcing Squadron at Joint Base San Antonio is aligned to support AFCEC. So when a Category 4 project recommends implementing a strategic sourcing contract, the 772nd executes it. Thank you for viewing the Category Management Roles and Responsibilities briefing. The importance of the various CM roles are critical in ensuring that the Department of Defense and other federal agencies buy goods and services more efficiently and effectively. CM is important for the military because it helps the DoD increase efficiency, leverage its buying power to reduce overhead costs, and free up resources for core missions.